Today we're checking out the Rejuvenate Click and Clean floor cleaning system. It has 3 different levels of cleaning, including this blue scrubbing pad, this microfiber polishing if you just want to dust, and then also a scrub brush if you're going to be cleaning your grout. So it comes with flooring cleaner that you just pop right in. Rejuvenate has a number of different kinds for different floor surfaces. But what I love about this is the wide spray. If you can see how wide this is spraying. So it's very easy to clean your floor. It pivots really nicely, gets under tight areas very smooth and easily. So my floors are cleaner very quickly, just with this quick spray. I'm going to show you how easy it is to transfer and use the different pads. I'm taking the scrubbing pad off, and I'm just going to put the dusting pad on. Simple, and now I'm ready to go and dust and polish my floors. Or I can take this entire top off by just pulling it off, and I can use the scrub brush. This is for grout cleaning and any heavy cleaning that you might have. It's that easy. So you can use any Rejuvenate cleaner, floor cleaner for any surface by using the adapter to use it in the Click and Clean. And it's that easy.